What's up guys, Dr. Garrett here. I'm with the lovely Amanda. We're at Active Health. Amanda just came into us the other day. Amanda, what brought you in?
Yeah, so I recently learned that my spine is curving in the wrong direction.
Oh yeah, your neck is going the opposite way. It's called a reverse cervical curve.
We learned the correct term for that is no bueno.
Yes.
So we're gonna fix that here. And I am a singer and a figure model. So I use my body a lot. I'm holding long positions for long periods of time and I'm singing. And sometimes I notice I'm really leaning forward. So I was like, what's going on with that? Figured out my curves are not curving properly, and this seems like a very amazing place to come to address that, to reshape my spine.
You came to the right place.
Great.
You ready to get started?
Yes.
And Amanda was telling me she's got a high pain tolerance. She's like, I love pain.
A little bit, yeah. A little
Like, well, you came to the right place because we dish out a little torture,
yes.
aka muscle rehab.
Okay.
So drop your shoulder down, resist right here.
Ooh.
So we got a little weakness there. We're gonna check this side here. Hands like that. Drop here, resist it. Notice how the left was a lot stronger.
Yeah, for sure.
Cool. So we're gonna work on a muscle called the levator scapula. It inserts onto your scapula here and goes into your neck.
Any relation to elevator?
That elevates your scapula.
Oh, perfect.
We're gonna work right here.
Yeah.
There we go. Feel that muscle just jumping around underneath my thumb.
This is what I
You
want.
have to get in there and do the work. Sometimes it hurts, but we gotta go through a little pain to get out of some.
I'm gonna do it.
Go.
And a class is 3 hours, so I could be in one position for up to 3 hours. Same pose, take a break, come back. Sometimes they're standing, sometimes they're reclined, sitting with my neck, not facing forward. Because I want to be artsy, I want to be dynamic, I don't just want to like sit straight. So, there's a, you gotta bleed for your art.
I hear
Just a
you.
little bit. My Instagram handle is the art ache. Which is also a pun off of my last name, but yeah, it hurts sometimes.
You gotta get your spine in the right type of posture.
Wow,
So
this
your
is
body's
amazing.
not fighting with yourself. Go, last bit. You doing okay here?
Yeah,
She can't take a lot of pain. Deep breath in. Right out. Just going to the shoulder. So this is called a counter straight to reset all the muscle fire. You do it in a passive range of motion where I'm doing the work and you're just hanging. All right, let's go face up, please.
oh my god, it's so good.
So these muscles will over tighten due to the lack of muscle firing from the levator scapula. So they compensate, they'll tighten up. We have a bundle of nerves that come out through the neck, through the anterior and middle scalene called the brachial plexus. Familiar with that, Chair?
No.
Brachial plexus is a bundle of nerves coming from the neck that will go into the shoulder all the way down into the fingers.
Why do all these terms sound like dinosaurs? Like you get the thoracic spine, the brachial plexus, like these are dinosaurs, you guys.
They're all dinosaur terms. Old Latin terms.
Yeah, there you go.
So Amanda, I want you to have your hands right off your body for me. I want you to lift your chin up towards your chest. So bring your head up towards your sternum there. There you go. We're going to rotate your head here. So I'm going to check some of the muscles in through the front. I'm going to push your head down. Don't let me. Resist up towards my hand. So I feel you're really trying. A little weak on the left side. Let's check the right. Resist here. That's really strong.
Okay.
So we're going to rotate your head to the left. It's really important that Our neck muscles are really loose, especially for you, since you're a big singer.
Yeah, bro. Oh.
What kind of music do you do, Amanda?
I like to do concert work, which is where I'm out front, in front of an orchestra and a choir.
Oh, cool.
I do some session work, so singing on film scores. Most notably, I sing Final Fantasy XIV theme songs.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's fun. The last couple expansion packs. This last expansion pack, I'm like all over it. I get fan mail all the time. And I don't play games, so I was like, oh yeah.
We want more Amanda.
Yeah, no, me too. And they go on a world tour, and so I think I'll be joining them soon.
Awesome.
A little bit. This is like everything I need.
So good. Hold your breath, no help. Good, breathe and relax. That was the counter strain. I'm gonna have you go face down, please.
First festival. Crazy. Oh, now I can do everything. Oh, remember that one time you pushed on my sacrum?
Uh-huh.
Oh my god, that was amazing.
You're like, yeah, push
Yeah,
on it again.
remember?
Just put it out
Just reminding
there.
you.
Remember, that was
Yeah, that was really cool.
Amanda, how long have you been singing and modeling for?
I've been modeling for about 7 years, and I've been singing since forever.
Since forever.
I've always been a ham. I have my degree in music. Went to Cal State Fullerton, trained classically, which is like basically a sport at that point when you're singing classically. And totally important to be so in your body and understanding, because your body is your instrument in a way that's different from when you're singing on a microphone. You're projecting over an orchestra and to the back of a hall. You're competing with,
Wow.
you know, dozens of other stringed instruments and sometimes a full choir. So, like, body awareness and being able to use your body in its most highly functioning state is essential. So, here we are doing that.
Wow. Love it. Yeah, it's so important to have your body in alignment, especially like you probably use a lot of your diaphragmatic muscles to really project and have that nice voice that you can use. I'm going to check the hips now. Let me have you bring your leg up this way, so we'll do good. I want to drop down and lift up here. Good, and resist up. Excellent. So we're checking the glutes on those. Those are both working really well.
Glutes are great.
We're going to rotate in this way. Resist in for me. Yes. Right in here. Resist here. Nice.
Okay.
Really good.
Lower
Let's go
half
face
side.
up. A little bit more. Nice.
Okay. Ooh.
Good.
Yes.
There you go. Nice. To make sure all the foot bones are moving, because it can cause restriction that will go to the ankle, into the knee, all the way into the hip.
No bueno.
There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, no bueno. You're picking it up.
Got it.
We're going to adjust your low back. You're going to lay on your left side facing you, please. Bring one hand here, that there. So you're pitched forward a little bit. We're going to tuck you in to take out some of the slack.
Okay. Let's go ahead on.
Nice.
Nice.
Really good. Come on over this way.
Just right here in that one.
Wow. Whew. Right on, girl.
Okay.
Lift your head up. Good.
That'll just help open everything up. Wow. It'll help counteract all the lifting.
Now there's how my
So
effort.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's nice.
Any
You
notice?
keep those feet here.
Well, as far as
And the arms.
And then for this
just,
one,
it's like,
we're going to put you into some curve as we adjust your mid back. So we're going to come in here. I want you to drop your head forward and curve in this way. Good. Nice. So we're going to roll back together. Just take a big breath in. And
experiencing it right now?
Well, a little bit. I have been throughout the day.
Love those deep adjustments. We're doing some arthrostem, and I want to put your body in the position because we're sending signals up into the brain, increasing that body awareness.
Oh, I felt that in my hand.
Wow, yeah, that's crazy. That's all.
EP back.
And just so that my shoulders like resisting here too.
Neck muscles in the
Oh
back.
my goodness, that is the spot. Wow.
Open up your ribs tonight. When the ribs get stuck, harder to breathe, harder to expand your lungs, but also it restricts your range of motion within your neck. Because those neck muscles come all the way down from the neck, the ones in the front and the ones in the back, and they'll insert onto the first few ribs.
Feel that?
Yeah. We're going C5, this is right where you have that little bit of reverse curve that is coming back the right way. Nice.
The shoulder bit. Pretty good. Yeah.
Take a slow, big breath in. Awesome. There we go.
Whoa!
Got ourselves a head hug.
Wow. That's more than just a hug, my friend.
That was perfect. Coming up this way, we have one more adjustment. You're gonna stand here, facing up that way. Forward. And then bring your hands right on top of the body. Good. Interlock your fingers. Squeeze down. Chest up high. Good squeeze. Squeeze harder. Awesome. Hold here. And stretch it. And then lean forward. You got some flexibility within those shoulders.
Flexy.
Awesome, Amanda. You did great today. Good job. We did hugs here.
Appreciate it.
Perfect.
That
Let me
was
get
amazing.
That was so
It was
good.
a whole experience.
Yes.
I felt like I went to Disneyland for your spine.
And the ride's not over. We're gonna get you on traction, okay?
Roller coaster, man.
Come on over with me.